Accordion potatoes, the rich and delicious dish. I'll start our recipe by cutting 5 potatoes. Let's be careful not to cut the potato from one end to the other. This way I'm doing it. Next, I will add a teaspoon of salt in a container with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's transfer our potatoes into a pan. Make this recipe at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love the result. Now with a cooking brush, we will spread the olive oil we seasoned in the potatoes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Marcia Borgman from Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'm gonna bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Using a knife, we will need 4 cloves of garlic. Let's season it with a teaspoon of rosemary and a teaspoon of thyme. Now let's cut the garlic. Guys, you will not believe how delicious this recipe is after ready. I just make potatoes that way now. I'll transfer the garlic we seasoned into a bowl. Let's add 50 milliliters of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Have you ever made a potato recipe like this before? Now I will cut 200 grams of mozzarella into thin slices. I'm using diced mozzarella, but you can use grated or the way you prefer. After 25 minutes, I will remove our recipe from the oven. Using a cooking brush, I will spread the mixture we made earlier on top of the potatoes. Using a few ingredients, we managed to make a delicious and sophisticated potato recipe. I'm sure it will go into your routine. Let's put the cheese slices inside the spaces we cut in the potatoes. In this way, I'm gonna bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and our recipe was already ready. Look how delicious it was. People, this recipe of potatoes is perfect to share with the whole family. Impress everyone at Sunday lunches. I'm sure even your friends will ask you to teach this recipe because it is not very difficult to do, and it really is a delight. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.